Hello, my name is Matthew Reeves, and I want to show you some of what we've been doing with the Institute for Museum Library Sciences grant we just received and the University of Arkansas to create a working model of the main house that allows us to capture all of the records from the main house restoration. Right now we're at one of the first phases of this work where we're digitizing on our end. Montpelier is digitizing, and University of Arkansas is actually integrating all the CAD data into a 3D model of the main house that we eventually are going to be putting on the World Wide Web. With this model, what you'll be able to do is explore the first and second floors. For example, I'm going to turn the roof off now and we can see the inside of the house for that second floor. And what they've been able to do at the University of Arkansas is actually categorize each of the building elements as separate entities, where these can be clicked on, and then a database table can be brought up that has all the information associated with it. In this case, object 44 will eventually be associated with the door, associated with this room, and then all records associated with that door will be linked through this table. And it's the same with hearths, windows such as this one over adjacent to the south part of the house, and also walls. And in addition to the second floor, of course, there's the first floor. Here's the second floor taken away, and you can see the drawing room. In this case, you can see the hearth on this side, and then if we spin around, what we can see is the other side with the pediment and the door right here. We're eventually going to have the cellar spaces as well. So if I turn off the first floor, you see the cellar spaces are empty right now, but University of Arkansas is bringing that data in as we speak. So right now we're at the beginning phases of this project, and we are once we get the model from the University of Arkansas, we're going to begin to organize it and bring in all of the labels, assign all the windows, doors, walls, labels, and then we'll be able to turn these on and off individually and associate them with data. And what we're also doing with the main house model is we are integrating this into our overall GIS of the property. So in this case, we have very crudely modeled the trees as up arrows. I need to get a better symbol for trees, hardwoods and deciduous. And eventually we need to sort out these trees for those that have been removed during the main house restoration, and then those we've replanted. And in this case, what you can see, these are the features for the pine alley that we located, and the trees that are here are the DuPont era pine trees that we've removed, and we need to ascribe the current pine trees we've planted. But with the GIS model, we are integrating all of our data into this. And what's exciting is we're going to be able to, with the work we're doing at the University of Arkansas, we're going to be able to incorporate three-dimensional data on buildings, and they're giving us the capability to actually render all the buildings that we've got for the south yard, and then of course for larger parts of the property. Down here you can see Lewis Hall and Clogmore Hall, along with the archaeology lab and office, and you can get into the larger property as well. Here's all of Montpelier's 2,700 acres. Orient this north, and there's the whole property with the main house right there. Well, hope to develop this more for you all and talk to you soon. Bye.